So friends, in this SEO course video today we will learn how to create an SEO friendly URL. We're going to teach you this practically. Actually, in this course I have mentioned in earlier videos what to do if you want to create an SEO friendly URL and what things you should keep in mind. But we're also teaching you how to create it practically, so you learn on-page SEO thoroughly and then you can learn how to implement it. So friends, look, we are now on our computer screen. As you can see, this is our website and its admin panel, the WP admin. So now in this panel, I previously taught you how to add H1 tags and H2 tags here. Now in that same blog post on that exact page, I'll show creating a user-friendly URL for that. Let's see how. Okay, so as I'm on this particular page, this blog post I made, or this blog page here, its title is Digital Marketing Services in Delhi. So what it did here, it simply made this title my URL. But now when I click on edit, and then you can see it right here, my domain name stays same, then here Digital Marketing Services in Delhi. Right here, this whole part after the domain name becomes my slug. But here I need to make it SEO friendly. So here I won't use stop keywords like in or the. We should not use these keywords. Okay, and you should not use underscores either. Okay, so we just need to use our main keywords straight to the point. Okay, this way our URL becomes SEO friendly and also keyword optimized for better results. So editing the URL marketingfundas.co.in/digital marketing service Delhi. This has now become my SEO friendly URL, or you can say an optimized URL. Okay, it is optimized for search engine and also for the users. And now I'll click OK. Once OK is clicked, in is removed. If an underscore was there, I would have removed that because we don't want any numerics or similar stuff there. So in this way, very easily you also can go to admin, then create an SEO friendly URL, and for every single page of your website, doing proper on page. This includes image optimization, header tag optimization, or even content optimization itself. And when we do all these things like our URL optimization, only then will our website become SEO friendly and its on page would be top notch, and then we can achieve good rankings, because friends, on page is as crucial for ranking as it is for off page. That's why we teach you everything both theoretically and practically, so you learn well. I really hope this is helpful, and keep learning.